Okay, I'm going to teach you the back stitch. To do the back stitch, we start one square behind where we'd like our first stitch to be. So if I want my first stitch to be at the bottom of this A on my USA, I start one square ahead of my first stitch. Tape down your thread. Okay, then I go back the one space where I wanted my first stitch to be. Then I jump ahead 2 more spaces. Jump ahead 2 spaces, or I'm sorry, you don't jump ahead. You jump ahead this space and this space. And you go back to the first stitch, moving your needle through the hole that you made the first time. Then again, from where your thread is, you jump ahead 1, 2 squares. And you have an empty space. And with your needle, you go back through the first hole, or the hole left by your last stitch. Hence the term back stitch. Again, our thread is coming out here. We're going to skip this square and skip this square. And we're going to move back, going through the first hole, the last hole that was made by our last stitch. Again, skip ahead of this square, ahead of this square. And we go and we fill in that empty space by going back through the hole left by our previous stitch. Same thing applies when you get to the corners, just 1 square ahead of where you'd like your stitch to be. And that's the back stitch.